Si Miss Carol hindi na nag-comment. Sabi niya alam kung saan ako pupunta sa Friday. Bakit niyo alam?
Was feeling so hollow and I couldn't handle it, so I called a couple of friends and a caring specialist, and I talked through all of my problems till they started to shrink a bit. Nothing's
Order mo siya kahapon. Sorry kung ayaw niya magpakita ng face sa ball. The coffee is there.
I see this line of century since you forgot about.
Magay ka lang sa kanila.
Hey!
Ayaw niya, oh.
Later na.
Later na. Puro kasi ano yung mukha niya.
Nagpa-derma nga ako.
Nagpa-derma siya kahapon.
Nagpa-break. For me to love. Ano mo?
Saan yung Candon City? Candon City.
Let's see.
Nahihiya siya. Ilocos Sur po. Ba't anong meron? Anong nga? Tinatanong mo kanina sa Ilocos. Ano meron sa Ilocos? Hello po from Dubai. Hi Ate si Ate April kanina pa kita tinawag ng tinawag talaga.
Days of dogs without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shine, and I can see.
Hello, Miss Lani from Singapore. Narinig niyo ba? Naririnig niyo ba?
Dami kong kakantahin today, bro.
Ayan.
take me as you are, push me off the road. The silence, I need this time to be with you. I'm freezing in the sun, I'm burning in the rain. The silence, I'm screaming, calling out your name. And I knew the sight of you put out the fire in me. You lose the sight of the life you gave me. You shone that light of love on me and gave me air so I can breathe. And open doors for closed in a world where anything goes. You keep me dreaming fast and tall, and they spread over just like a roll. When I feel like hope is gone.
Hi, it's me, Amara. Thank you po from New Zealand.
Time
Wow.
I look at you, there's something new to keep
My love burns strong.
you whisper in my ear. I see the memory.
Hindi ko po alam kailan Star Magical from.
April?
April daw.
I don't know.
Now I finally found my way.
You gave me air so I can breathe.
Open doors and close.
In a world where anything goes, you keep me strength so I stand tall. In this
Antayin ko
bed
na.
over just Thank you, Lord. Hi, Mommy Japet. I just woke up from a dream. You and I have to say goodbye.
I don't know what it all means.
Hi, Jess.
Since I survived, I realized
Hi, Princess Diva.
wherever you go,
That's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow.
so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next
To you. Hindi ko po alam kung nasan to next month. Wala pa pong schedule.
I just woke up from a dream. You and I had to say
Try mo yung espresso. Maganda nga din kasi.
what it all means.
Hi, Shop by Zed. Sanis ka sa...
Hindi ko nga alam to.
Sino nga kumanta nun sa ASAP?
Birds of a feather, we should stick together now. Said I never. Right.
Sakit.
You're my pretty little
Ayun si Belle ata. Si Belle ba?
okay.
Sino ba talaga? Si Francine o si Belle?
Birds of a feather si Francis. Ewan. No, no, I'd have to say goodbye. Maybe it on me. But since I survived, I realized
Where you go, that's where I follow.
nobody's promised to. Oh no.
I'm love you every night like it's the last night. The world is ending. I'm knowing it. Break free daw.
Ba, yun.
Maganda yun, who's who says I'm not perfect? Who says I'm the only one that's hurt me? Pogi talaga ni DJ, grabe. Pogi ni Jeremy.
Standing true.